What's up, guys? It's Nimboy7894 here, and sorry for the noise. We're in a pretty public place, but this is my friend Braden. He's also on the channel. He's going to give you his bike check, and yeah, go ahead.
Starting off, I've got the 2014 BSD passenger frame. It's Chris Kyle's signature. Demolition Elite forks. I've got Demolition complete wheels. Demolition Bulimia front hub laced to a Demolition Zero ring. Demolition Momentum 235 tires on both.
Matching.
For the back, I've got a Demolition loader free coaster laced to a Zero rim with the Momentum tire. We've got 4 Demolition Bulimia plastic pegs.
Dump chuck, you mean?
Dump chuck, yeah. DK social cranks. I've got a 28 tooth Shadow Kill sprocket. I've got the Odyssey JCPC pedals. I've got the Magneto 330 seat post and a United Corey Martinez seat. For bars, I've got the BSD Raider bars, the Giraffic bars, ODS Stay Strong grips, Kink lightest bar ends, Demolition headset, and I believe that's it.
Forgot that stem.
Demolition Monarch stem.
Yep. And Shadow Interlock 2 chain.
Yep.
So, stay tuned for some more videos, and thanks for watching, and peace.